Hi, Victoria Lozano with Plan Forward Legal, where we believe in preserving your legacy with the same intention you built it. Today, I want to have a very short discussion on the purposes of a will. So, when it comes to building your estate plan, some people prefer just starting with a will. So, what is a will? A will is a particular formatted document that is dependent on your state's rules about what a will looks like and what it entails. And it dictates where you want your stuff to go. So, what is your stuff? Maybe it's your property, such as houses. Maybe it's your vehicles. Maybe it's heirlooms or jewelry that you have. Maybe it's a particular type of, artwork that you want to give to certain people. So, a will is a way in order to share with your loved ones where you want your stuff to go. If you have minor children, it's also a place for you to establish guardianship. People tend to think that a will is read in front of all their family like they see on TV. That is not the case. A will, you choose your executor, and the executor then submits the will to probate court. Probate court is a court in which they open a suit against yourself, essentially. So a judge then gets to read the will, and a judge then gets to take care of the administration, we'll call it, of your will. So your executor ends up communicating with the court and has to disclose all your information to the court. This makes everything public, so people can look into what your assets are and where they're going. This can open more controversy within your family if there is some already, which can prolong the probate process. Other things that can prolong this process are just the sheer volume that the probate court is dealing with. So wills do not divert the court. Wills just better explain to the judge, hey, this is where things are going to go. If you do not have a will, it's called being intestate. And that means that a judge will appoint an executor. Usually someone from the family will come forward and say, hey, I would like to be the executor. If there's no one there, the judge will appoint someone who does this professionally. And the judge follows the default rules of law about where your stuff is going to go. So wills are a really good starting point, particularly if you have minor children, if you have property, if you have personal property and you want to dictate where it's going to go. A will is a really good starting point. If you want to learn more about wills, you can go to my website, planforwardlegal.com. You can also email me questions at planforwardlegal@gmail.com. Thanks.